The water's all right. It's not too cold, but all right. They say that Air Force is bougie. Oh my gosh! So this is Mark Wayne's restaurant. It's actually pretty packed, so be prepared to wait. If you are ever in Thailand, this is the plug. 32 bar. It's a Michelin star chocolate bar. We just walked down this crazy alley of different food places to check out. All right, so for today's adventure, Christiane is the one who is leading. Yesterday was all me. We couldn't really get to mostly everything because we saved the temples for today. We're heading to a chicken place now. I like how elegant this hotel looks. It's awesome. Alright, so we are at our first stop, which is a Michelin star chicken shop. It doesn't open up until around 9. We got here a little early because we thought it said open at 8, but we decided to wait because we want some chicken.
Our evening began in comfortable study in his New York townhouse.
So I'm going to assume that the actual store ended up moving to the side only because of like the amount of people they could fill, because this is like more spacious than the storefront that they had. You can grab some chicken and then I'll show you what we're gonna eat. So apparently, yeah, apparently this is. No, I don't think we can finish the whole. Is that what you mean? Okay. Yeah, let's check this out. Looks good. They said the grilled pork is pretty good too. Okay, we'll show you what we get here shortly. All right, guys. So we got the pork neck, and then we also got the whole chicken. There, that's a big chicken.
It is.
All right, we're gonna eat this. Let's test it out. Papaya salad. Good. This is the pork neck. Oh my gosh. That's good. Here's the chicken.
Put the garlic.
Garlic on it. Garlic. That's delicious. We're gonna enjoy this and we're heading out. Alright, so we just arrived at the ancient city. While we were searching for things to do in Thailand, this popped up as one of the major attractions. There is something interesting that I want to see, which is the 3-headed elephant. So we're gonna go check that out. Christiane's picking tickets right now. The good thing is we get golf carts. So we're gonna go grab golf carts and we're gonna go around. We got a golf cart. All right, so Christiane is tempting me with a great time right here. I don't know if you can see, we're gonna go hop into some Thai costumes. Look at my wife's drip. Look at that. All right, we are picking up our go-kart. It'll be 208 right here. All right, here we go. We are here, and it feels weird driving on the left side of the road. And we're gonna go check out some places. A lot of mosquitoes around me, but yeah, let's have a fun time. I'm gonna show you our drip here shortly. It's hot as hell. So we are at our first stop. What is this stop? All right, so check this out. Isn't that wild? Look at that. Here's the first palace. Look at this. This is huge. Ain't that something? All right, we are off to the next destination. Let's keep All right, so here in the ancient city, there's a bunch of different palaces. You know what? I think we're going the wrong way. I think exit's back there. There in the ancient city, Christian is thriving. How is it? Here we have an ancient arch. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Just follow them. Look at this palace. This palace looks nice. This is the Palace of the Enlightened.
Can't help this feeling. Your love just keeps me willing. Can't help this feeling. Your love just keeps me willing.
You know the saying of not everything you see on social media is real, because me and you, like we've gone past that. Like we'll stop showing people like that fake, you know, fake facade. Oh yeah, me and her are okay. In reality, we're not. You know, things like that. So I think we're way past that. And you see it with like some of our friends. The tourists. Should we go?
Sometimes I feel like that I'm in love, baby. No, baby. If I say goodbye,
Hot as hell. We are actually inside the Sumera temple now. It is like a big fish head, or it's like a island fish island.
no, baby.
So look at that. Okay, look at the turtle. The turtle. No.
Oh, it's huge.
All right, so we're at the Erewhon Museum. We're not gonna be here for long, only because we have a 2 o'clock reservation for a Michelin star. We're gonna check this out real quick, and we're dipping. Oh, look at that. Never really describe like how it looks or feels. You just have to be here. Look how big this is. Alright, we're gonna go float a lotus flower and we'll probably be out of here really quick. Is there any more flowers? Doesn't matter, I'm still gonna float it. Yoink.
朝圣路线设置三头神像博物馆楼4中，朝圣。
Yeah. It's hard to grasp like on camera, right? You can't grasp how big this thing is. It's insane. Look at this temple. So we have
or durian
sticky
you cannot
rice
season.
and what was the other one?
So
Coconut pudding.
now you can find many shops.
So we have a shrimp sticky rice here, which with she got the custard, man.
Okay, in same
Let's try
in
this.
same time our bus on the way to Chinatown. In a few minutes you are at Chinatown, but you can see this temple first for the respect that Buddha image helps about your business is so good.
What are you trying to say?
Thank you very much, Mom. Careful yourself.
As much as I love to keep vlogging, I have a food coma right now, and my wife and I are now gonna get some coffee, and I'm gonna call it a day. Y'all have a great day wherever you are at, and yeah, Scooby-Doo.